Do smart vacuums actually work? Do they really clean and mop your floors, or is there a catch? Well, in today's video, we take a look at the eufy X10 Pro Omni, which was supplied by eufy, today's video sponsor, and we get to the bottom of it. Now, as someone who is huge in tech, building a smart home is high on my list, but what's even higher on my list is convenience. And that's exactly what robo vacuums offer, which typically comes at a very high price tag, but that's one of the things that eufy is trying to combat with its competitive pricing. I mean, it's being labeled as the affordable flagship alternative. And it just might be that. And that just leaves one question. What do we get for that? Powerful suction at 8,000 PA power. A mop master system that has a 12mm lift to avoid carpets and has 2.2 pounds of downward pressure at 180 RPMs. It'll avoid obstacles impressively well by using AIC. It self-empties, self-cleans, all hands-free, and you only empty dirty water and reload fresh water when in need. It also has an active detangling brush for hairy situations, a floating roller brush for multiple environments, and a closer to the ground clean. Obstacle marking on the AI map, virtual boundaries as you can set no-go zones or put up virtual walls. Customized cleaning zones, auto recharge and resume, voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant, tap to go, water tank 2-in-1, and voice reminders giving you status updates or any problems while the RoboVac is running. So enough talking about what it can do, let me show you what it actually did. All right, so I just moved into a new studio space. I'm not gonna show you too much, but just know movers were all in throughout here, boxes were everywhere. I did my setup to make it functional, and I have not cleaned the floors, and I'm gonna show you guys how bad the floors are. But this is good because we get to see what this vacuum can actually do. So as you can see, some of these chunks might be a little bit on the large side. So like this, I might pick up in that. I won't be too foul to the system. But as you guys can see, these floors are dirty. Going into the second room, yes, there's 2 rooms in the studio. As you guys can see, I have not babied these floors at all. We will see exactly what this smart vacuum can do. Now, I don't have my full space and full access, but you know, we even got a restroom that it can run into and all that. Okay, so before we let that thing run, what I need to do is get the box that it came in off the floor and just make sure that I give it a decent amount of room to work with. Now let's put it to work. All right, it's officially time to get this thing started. I'm gonna hit next, cleaning after the quick map. So it's gonna do a quick mapping and then it's gonna do a cleaning.
Start cleaning. Positioning.
As you can see, it's drawing this map and creating it right now. That was kind of quick. Oh, it's already cleaning. That's crazy. The mop just finished. Matter of fact, let me turn on the light in here. So it vacuumed and cleaned up the restroom and it ran through here. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, it was pretty filthy in here. I gave it like quite the challenge. And from what I showed you guys earlier, I didn't clean up at all. I didn't do any sweeping. I left it dirty from the move-in and all of the boxes. And I've been working for days to get this place organized. And I'm not gonna cap. It did its thing. Like in general, especially from where I was, it literally did what it was supposed to do. I'm gonna give it like a 97% clean rate. few little things here and there, but nothing's perfect. And you know another pretty dope thing about it? It was getting under creases and crevices I didn't think that it could. It was literally trying to clean the entire space. Like, it was trying to leave no nook or cranny untouched. And I needed that cleanup. I didn't have to do any work. This did it all. And if you ask me, it was worth it in the time savings and the performance that I got out of it. Now, right now, it just finished washing its mops. Now it's drying its mops. And I'm showing you guys too much of the studio early. Listen, there's gonna be a studio tour coming really soon. Yes, we got 2 rooms. Yes, we got the whole hookup. It's probably gonna be a multi-episodic series. And this time I'm actually gonna drop part 2. I know I didn't last time. You know, life happens.